If you look at the peak of Dronagiri, it doesn't look like a standard mountain spire. It has a distinct, flat, cut-off appearance, as if a massive scoop was taken out of its side. The local legend. According to the locals, when Hanumanji arrived here, he asked an elderly woman where to find the life-saving herbs. She pointed toward a specific flank of the mountain. Hanumanji, in his haste to save Lakshman, used his immense power to lift that entire section, because Hanumanji mutilated their sacred mountain, their deity.